How to change lock screen clock style on your iPhone 16 series or any iPhone. Press and hold, then you can see the customization. Select lock screen. Now press on clock. Now you are able to change as you wish. There are some different fonts. If you want to change your color, you can also do it from here. So a lot of option, you just customize as you wish. Now if you want to change your clock language, you can also do it from here. And your clock language also will be changed. Thank you. Don't forget to thumbs up. Have a good day.